Welcome to Tech Talk. In this video, we will continue to know about non-fungible tokens, NFTs. If you haven't watched the part 1, click on the link in the description to watch it. Subscribe to Tech Talk, and click on the bell icon for more updates on blockchain. In the previous video, we have talked about, what is an NFT? How is an NFT different from cryptocurrency? How does an NFT work? Now, let us talk about, what are NFTs used for? Blockchain technology and NFTs afford artists and content creators a unique opportunity to monetize their wares. For example, artists no longer have to rely on galleries or auction houses to sell their art. Instead, the artist can sell it directly to the consumer as an NFT, which also lets them keep more of the profits. In addition, artists can program in royalties so they'll receive a percentage of sales whenever their art is sold to a new owner. This is an attractive feature as artists generally do not receive future proceeds after their art is first sold. Art isn't the only way to make money with NFTs. Brands like Charmin and Taco Bell have auctioned off themed NFT art to raise funds for charity. Charmin dubbed its offering NFTP, non-fungible toilet paper, and Taco Bell's NFT art sold out in minutes, with the highest bids coming in at 1.5 wrapped Ether, WETH equal to $3,723.83 at time of writing. Nyan Cat, a 2011-era GIF of a cat with a popped heart body, sold for nearly $600,000 in February. And NBA Top Shot generated more than $500 million in sales as of late March. A single LeBron James highlight NFT fetched more than $200,000. Even celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Lindsay Lohan are jumping on the NFT bandwagon, releasing unique memories, artwork and moments as securitized NFTs. So, how to buy NFTs? If you're keen to start your own NFT collection, you'll need to acquire some key items. First, you'll need to get a digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. You'll likely need to purchase some cryptocurrency, like Ether, depending on what currencies your NFT provider accepts. You can buy crypto using a credit card on platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, eToro and even PayPal and Robinhood now. You'll then be able to move it from the exchange to your wallet of choice. You'll want to keep fees in mind as you research options. Most exchanges charge at least a percentage of your transaction when you buy crypto. So, what are the popular NFT marketplaces? OpenSea.io. This peer-to-peer platform bills itself a purveyor of rare digital items and collectibles. To get started, all you need to do is create an account to browse NFT collections. You can also sort pieces by sales volume to discover new artists. Rarible. Similar to OpenSea, Rarible is a democratic, open marketplace that allows artists and creators to issue and sell NFTs. Rari tokens issued on the platform enable holders to weigh in on features like fees and community rules. Foundation. Here, artists must receive upvotes or an invitation from fellow creators to post their art. The community's exclusivity and cost of entry, artists must also purchase gas to mint NFTs, means it may boast higher caliber artwork. For instance, Nyan Cat creator Chris Torres sold the NFT on the Foundation platform. It may also mean higher prices, not necessarily a bad thing for artists and collectors seeking to capitalize, assuming the demand for NFTs remains at current levels, or even increases over time. Although these platforms and others are host to thousands of NFT creators and collectors, be sure you do your research carefully before buying. Some artists have fallen victim to impersonators who have listed and sold their artwork without their permission. In addition, the verification processes for creators and NFT listings aren't consistent across platforms, some are more stringent than others. OpenSea and Rarible, for example, do not require owner verification for NFT listings. Buyer protections appear to be sparse at best, so when shopping for NFTs, it may be best to keep the old adage caveat emptor, let the buyer beware, in mind. Should you buy NFTs? Just because you can buy NFTs, does that mean you should? It depends. In other words, investing in NFTs is a largely personal decision. If you have money to spare, it may be worth considering, especially if a piece holds meaning for you. But keep in mind, an NFT's value is based entirely on what someone else is willing to pay for it. Therefore, Demand will drive the price rather than fundamental, technical or economic indicators, which typically influence stock prices and at least generally form the basis for investor demand. All this means, an NFT may resale for less than you paid for it. Or you may not be able to resell it at all if no one wants it. NFTs are also subject to capital gains taxes, just like when you sell stocks at a profit. Since they're considered collectibles, however, they may not receive the preferential long-term capital gains rates stocks do and may even be taxed at a higher collectibles tax rate, though the IRS has not yet ruled what NFTs are considered for tax purposes. Bear in mind, the cryptocurrencies used to purchase the NFT may also be taxed if they've increased in value since you bought them, meaning you may want to check in with a tax professional when considering adding NFTs to your portfolio. That said, approach NFTs just like you would any investment. Do your research, understand the risks, including that you might lose all of your investing dollars, and if you decide to take the plunge, proceed with a healthy dose of caution. Hope you liked the video. Do like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel to motivate us.